job. Sophia, I'm not playing like that, please.
I throw the snowball at you.
I know, I felt the snow on my foot. It fell on my foot. That's not nice.
You like it, huh?
It's too much. Are you done kicking the ball, boo-boo? You look like you're done. I'm tired.
He's like, oh.
It was a long day. That was funny. That was so funny to see Darren boy sitting down on the chair.
Mommy!
What?
Mommy, look.
Good job, finally. Oops. Your legs are too long. Darren, what are you doing? It's the other way, you goofy. Come here. There we go. Oops. Stand up. Stand up, boo-boo.
He's like, I will do it. No.
Come on, Darren. Good job. Good job.
What's that boy yelling?
Good job. Uh-oh. Slow it down, boo-boo.
Boy yelling.
Slow it down. Good job.
Boy,
Let's go back. I almost fall. Come on, come on.
Like yelling like this. The boy was there like, oh, really loud.
Sounds like you when you cry or when you make noise.
Yeah.
Oh! Come on, Darren. Let's play. Come here. Little one.
I want to hug you.
Oh, I love you, my love. I love you so much. Okay, Darren, come on, let's play. Come here. You love the snow. Look at you. We gotta bring the gloves. Kick it. There we go. Kick it, kick it. No. It's okay, boo boo. It's okay. Good job. Wanna go play there? You wanna climb? It's gonna be an hour playing outside with these kiddos. La campana! Ding dong, ding dong! La campana! Acá, acá. Ding dong, ding dong! Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong! You wanna climb? Okay, I'll help you now, okay? Let's climb!